even if you can give, or if you can get some time, you should also write at least some book sometime, so that we can also read your book soon in the future, sir. Because having such a great experience, and if you write at least one book which captures everything, whatever series we have done, I think this will give us a good understanding and good knowledge. Because common mistakes करते हैं सब लोग in stock market. It's easy to make money, because जब ये कोई भी सीरीज जब सुनेगा, फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, whatever we have done, and whatever books name you just now you have given, I think 70-80% common mistakes तो eliminate हो ही जाएगा. So you have rightly given the good names, you have rightly shared the good knowledge on this platform, and I am very happy to कि मुझे भी काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिल रहा है आपके साथ में. एंड दिस इज़ रियली इंटरेस्टिंग. एंड वेल्थ क्रिएशन जो होता है, एंड we have seen lot of PMSs in the industry, and Turtle Star is one of the PMS where one can come and invest. So I think the next episode I would like to understand from you more on Turtle Star portfolio managers. Ki basically, if I want to give my money to you to handle it, how one can associate with Turtle Star, and how one can look at, and what kind of clients you handle, what kind of client profiles you have in your PMS, and what kind of performance your PMS has given since inception, so that at least we will get some understanding. For example, you have shared the name of Astral Poly and couple of more stocks which you have mentioned. You have mentioned Minda Industries, Balakrishna Industries. So I think definitely the returns are also quite good enough to in the long run. So that also we will try and understand about your performance, and how investors can associate if someone wants to come and someone wants to give their money, and how exactly this PMS works. And the most important part of your PMS is whether do you run a model portfolio, whether you run what kind of portfolios, because normally I have seen in the industry lot of PMSs run model portfolio. So अगर ए क्लाइंट का कुछ लिया है, अगर मैंने अपना पैसा दिया तो बी क्लाइंट का भी एज इट इज आ जाएगा, एंड आई विल गेट द एनएवी, एंड दिस इज हाउ. बट आई डोंट थिंक दैट आई नीड समथिंग स्पेशल, एंड आई थिंक on day-to-day basis, or in a new, every day is a new day. So if you get good interesting businesses, and if we can get new allocations for our clients, I think that will really make a sense. So in the next episode, definitely I would like to touch upon all these points, so that one should understand. And the lastly is on the fees part also, because fee is also a key important area, whether it's economical for me to have such kind of PMS in my portfolio, or and I should. So because normally I don't want to pay any fees upfront, because मैंने पैसा ही नहीं बनाया और मैं आपको पैसा दे दूं तो वो भी there is no point. पहले if I have given you money, and if you make money you charge, that is okay for me as an investor. So ये सब points I would like to discuss, and I wanted to make life easy for all my clients, because see ultimately पैसा बनाना है and wealth creation करना है for our clients. This is really important. And जो भी हमने सीखा है, आपने 27 years में जो मिस्टेक्स किया है, जो आपने स्टार्ट किया था कि इवन फंड मैनेजर्स कैन डू ए मिस्टेक, लाइक राइट. सो देयर इज नो जो, बट ये एक बात जरूर है कि जो मिस्टेक्स हमने किया है वो हम मिस्टेक्स रिपीट ना करें. सो दैट इज वेयर योर एक्सपर्टीज एंड योर नॉलेज, I think next episode definitely we would like to touch upon the Turtle Star portfolio managers, how you guys work, and it will be really helpful for everyone to understand how exactly one can create a wealth on a long run. And once again, thanks for your time. And guys, if you want to ask any questions, you can just drop me in the question box, so that at least I can ask if you have any questions. And thanks for hearing out patiently. See, normally I don't break these shows in between, because I don't want to break the flow. And if you will cover rightly, definitely you will get all your answers covered in these sessions. That I will make sure. That's why I am asking so many questions from Sunil ji, so that I am trying my best to get from the investor side that what investor is looking at. So that's why I am asking all these questions and I am taking longer time for this session so that everything can be covered. Yeah, in between you will find little bit boring, but that's okay. But ultimately, if you find the meaningful part from the entire conversation, definitely, guys, you will enjoy and you will love these sessions. That much I can tell you, because it's not easy to get 27 years of experience in one platform, and through every Sundays we have done these shows. And thanks, Sunil ji, for your time coming, and I have disturbed you on every Sunday, but really I hope this time what you have given to us will definitely help everyone. And thanks once again, Sunil ji. If you want to add any point, over to you, and then we can stop this session.
Yeah, Rishi, so it's been good. It's been fine. It's been interactive. We have been sharing, my thought, my journey, how my learnings have been, how really the stock market is perceived by people, and how really the stock market is. I think people perceive it as a place where, quick money can be made, a lot of money can be made in a very short period of time. And with that mindset, people come in the equity market, they try to, make mistakes, they try to get carried away, they just follow the prices. They don't look at what is the underlying business, they don't look at how wealth can be made over a period of time. What is the platform of stock market, the kind of strength it provides. All those things, once people start understanding and differentiating and then approaching the stock market, is going to be a great place. Because as an individual, if you are a banker, and if tomorrow the banking sector is having problem, you just cannot go and become a pilot and join an airline. So your
Correct.
life into that work is fixed. But in stock market, if the banking stocks are not doing well, you can jump into an airline industry by buying that stock, or you can get into a cement sector if the infrastructure is booming, so on and so forth. So it gives you so much of flexibility of doing so many business by just buying the share of those companies. So that is the power of equity market. That is what people need to understand. The day we start understanding this opportunity and approaching the market, things will be completely different. So, and also I touched upon various important points in terms of business and valuation and management and all those things in the earlier episodes. So that was good. I think in the next episode, as Rishi mentioned, we'll touch upon the PMS, which is there with me, how we are managing money, and how wealth can be made for investors, following the right principles of investing and taking it up in that fashion. So, Rishi, thank you very much for the session, and we look forward to the next one. I think we can sign off from now and meet up again next Sunday on the same very time. So, I guess thank you very much, listeners, for the kind presence and also listening into this.
Thank
Well,
you.
we can
Thank
all
you.
sign off, Rishi. I think that's what
Yeah.
we can
Have a
do.
nice weekend,
Thanks.
and thank you so much.
Okay.